On today's Pre-Med Monday, we're talking the cranial nerves by popular request. These are the 12 nerves that directly insert to the brain, and they have sensory and motor functions. So each of these 12 nerves has a spot on the cranial nerve clock with a symbol to help us remember its function. Cranial nerve 1 is our olfactory nerve, and it helps with our sense of smell. Cranial nerve 2 is our optic nerve, and it helps us with sight. Cranial nerves 3, 4, and 6, oculomotor, trochlear, and abducens, are all about those eye movements, pupillary responses. Cranial nerve 5 is the trigeminal nerve. It's got 3 branches to help us with the sensation of our face, as well as the muscles of mastication or chewing. Cranial nerve 7 is all about the movements of the face. It also has a sensory portion on the anterior parts of the tongue for taste. Cranial nerve 8 is the auditory vestibular nerve. That means hearing and balance, all of which are controlled and handled in the inner ear. Cranial nerve 9 is the glossopharyngeal nerve. Glosso means tongue, pharyngeal has to deal with pharynx, and that means this nerve is all about swallowing, salivation, and even some taste in the posterior tongue. Cranial nerve 10 is the vagus nerve, and we go down to vagus all the way into our abdomen to help with the parasympathetic rest and digest response in this area. Cranial nerve 11 is the spinal accessory nerve, and it's all about movements of our neck and our shoulders. And finally, we've got cranial nerve 12 with the hypoglossal nerve. This is all about movements of our tongue. So let us know what you think and give us your comments and questions down below.